Welcome back to the channel. The Jzones dash cam front and rear is definitely worth a look. Designed for everyday driving, rideshare protection, and long road trips, this dash cam delivers clear recording, smart safety features, and easy installation, all without breaking the bank. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at what the Jzones dash cam brings to the table and why it might be the perfect upgrade for your car's security. 3-channel recording. Capture crystal clear 4K video of the road ahead, 1080p footage of the cabin, and 1080p rearview coverage all at the same time. The dash cam with wide 155 degrees front 130 degrees interior/rear lenses, our dash camera perfect for Uber/Lyft drivers or parents monitoring kids and pets. StarVis 2 sensor super night vision. Our dash camera front and rear are equipped with a cutting-edge StarVis 2 HDR sensor and f1.8 aperture. It captures ultra-clear nighttime footage. Even in low-light conditions, it captures sharp details like license plates and pedestrian outlines. This car camera also quickly adapts to sudden changes in light to avoid total blackness or overexposure of the image. Built-in GPS Next-Gen Wi-Fi 6. This dash cam for car automatically logs real-time driving data including location, speed, and route history for accurate trip documentation. With blazing fast Wi-Fi 6, instantly access and download footage via the Jzones app, iOS/Android. Loop recording G sensor. Never miss a moment with automatic loop recording. When storage fills up, the dash cam smoothly overwrites older footage while protecting critical events. Built-in G sensor instantly detects collisions and automatically saves a locked 1-minute clip that can't be overwritten, ensuring you always have vital evidence when you need it most. 24-hour parking mode. When our car security camera is connected to the wired kit, by separately, the car recorder can continue to record at a low frame rate even when the vehicle is turned off. Your car stays guarded 24 hours a day, even when you're away. The Jzones dash cam front and rear. With dual camera protection, dependable video clarity, and useful features that keep you safer on the road, this dash cam offers strong value for its price. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to record your drives, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.